Hello! So to try to answer your question about duplicating this template for two very similar properties, I think what might be easiest is to update this category, these drop downs. So with one of those cells selected, and go to Data, Data Validation, and this first rule that shows this B column, I would click on that, and then down here at the bottom, if you do the plus sign, I would make a new sheet and call that maybe categories. And this is where you can paste in a list, such as, I have this one copied. Whatever list it is you're going to want for those drop downs, you can add however many of those right here. And for this template range now, we still have it open from our original template. Now under categories, let's change the criteria to drop down from a range. And here is where we can select this range. I'm going to select more than what I have entered in case I add more in the future. Click OK. And if you'd like, you can change the colors here. And if you want to delete any of them, you would just delete that. And then click Done. Now in our template, you can see it's updated. I don't have the colors on there anymore, and I am missing some of the names from previous. And so once you've done that, I would duplicate this template, and you're welcome to name this with the property name. And you can duplicate it by clicking on that little arrow and doing a duplicate, and you can rename it by double clicking, or the arrow and rename. I hope that helped answer your question.